This is Chef Amol from Haldirams. Welcomes you on Facebook page of Amol Life. This is the brand Amol is having very deep connection with me since childhood, as this brand is also from, I am also from Gujarat. So in my childhood, in my school, everybody used to call me Amol because of my name Amol. So they used to call always Amol, not Amol. So this was just a small story about it. Now coming back to our recipe, we are making pav bhaji bani chap. So pav bhaji, you must be knowing, it is very simple and homemade recipe. So let's start. Just take a pan, take some oil. See, oil is not required in this recipe, but why we are taking oil? Just to avoid burning thing of butter. Butter you can add completely in this. Butter डालने में कंजूसी ना करें. We are using Amul butter here. So once butter is melted, we'll start putting in that. So like ginger paste, garlic, ginger paste. After that, just saute it for some time. थोड़ा सा उसका रॉनेस चला जाना चाहिए, ज्यादा उसको कुक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So once it is cooked, add chopped onions, and make it translucent. Onions को भी बहुत ज़्यादा कुक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वी आर नॉट मेकिंग रेगुलर पाव भाजी, द मैशी वन. वी आर मेकिंग खड़ा पाव भाजी, जो जिसमें थोड़े से चंक्स दिखते हैं. हल्का सा ट्रांसलूसेंट होने पे, so chop capsicum around one big piece or small 2 pieces. Saute it for some time. Here this recipe bani chap. Bani chap is actually South African recipe, but pav bhaji in that. You can add whatever the curry you want, Indian curry. It is very simple. You can add pav bhaji or paneer based gravy, paneer makhani or paneer butter masala, paneer tikka masala. It really goes well with this bani chap. Now after this we will add tomato puree. Now this is fresh tomato puree. I have taken nice good red color tomatoes and made puree out of it. Just mix it nicely and gently. So these are actually boiled tomatoes, so you don't need to cook it much. So we have boiled it and then made a puree out of it. So while we are cooking this, these are cabbage and cauliflower. I have pre-chopped it, cut it, and slightly blanched it also. Just give a nice stir. So while cooking, we will add pav bhaji masala. You can take any kind of pav bhaji masala, any brand. See, here I have taken our own pav bhaji masala. Some amount of salt. Don't add too much of salt because butter is already salted. So much salt is not required. Add some chili powder, red chili powder, for nice spiciness and color. मसाले के साथ में इसको अच्छे से कुक करना है. You can see, एक अच्छा फ्लेवर आ रहा है, अच्छा कलर है. You can see a nice color in this pan. Flavor, of course, you can't take. I can take the flavor. Nice aroma. Now add potatoes in that. So I have taken cubed potatoes. You can also take mashed potatoes or whatever you require, but here we are making khada pav bhaji. That's why I have taken cubed potatoes. These are blanched carrots. इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी डालेंगे फॉर मेकिंग इट मोर होमोजेनियस. ये अच्छे से एक दूसरे के साथ में मिक्स हो जाएगा. Look at the consistency, it's very nice. थोड़ा सा पानी हम और डालेंगे. And let it cook. Now we will add some amount of green peas in that. थोड़े से ग्रीन पीस हम बाद में डालेंगे क्योंकि उसका कलर, दिस इज ऑलरेडी बॉइल्ड, सो आई डोंट वांट टू add some green peas right now in the recipe. So finally also we will add some amount of green peas in that. Add some water. Now it's right consistency. I am again adding Amul butter. This finally why I am adding, because Amul butter, once it is melted, we don't have to cook it. So it is melted, it will give you a nice flavor of butter. You will get that buttery flavor and very nice shine in the recipe, in the pav bhaji. So you can see now the pav bhaji is almost ready. You can also see the vegetables in that. See all this cut vegetables and green peas, chopped carrot, potatoes are there. Though all it's homogeneous, but still they have that chunk in that. So it's called khada pav bhaji. मैश्ड वाला पाव भाजी तो ठेले से लेके 5 स्टार तक सब जगह मिलता है, बट दिस खड़ा पाव भाजी इज अगेन इट्स डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट. मतलब आप खाओगे तो इसका एक फ्लेवर है, टेस्ट है, सब कुछ आपको अलग आएगा. Now this is the one recipe, it is almost मैं कहूँगा कि impossible without अमूल बटर. क्योंकि यू गो ऑन ठेला और मुंबई का जूहू चौपाटी और वेरेवर यू गो 5 स्टार में, एवरीवेयर दे यूज अमूल बटर फॉर पाव भाजी. सो एक ये ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है जिसके बिना ये प्रोडक्ट ऑलमोस्ट नामुमकिन है. सो इट इज डन. नाउ take it in a bowl. And after this, see, this is the bunny, or you can say rustic bread. I have taken this bread because I have this, but you can take any kind of loaf which you have. The bread is not specified, but it should be having a crust on that. So आप क्या करो, उसको पहले ओवन में हल्का सा बेक कर लो. Once you bake it, तो आउटर क्रस्ट उसका बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. तो आपका जो भी ग्रेवी है या जो भी करी है, वो करी उसमें से फ्लो नहीं करेगा और उसका होल्ड करके रखेगा अच्छे से. So just add this into this bunny pot. See, nicely filled. थोड़ा सा इसमें भी डाल के रखता हूं. Yeah, look at the color, it's very bright and red color. Garnish it with see, I have this Amul chiplet with me. These are very convenient butter. So this is like on one paratha or bunny or bread butter, or this is one for one portion. It is very nice. So just open it, take a butter knife, put it on the top of it. This is just for garnishing. Yeah. So once it is done, I am just adding one stem of coriander leaves just for garnish. And this, I have mozzarella cheese with me, Amul's mozzarella cheese. So I am also putting this cheese on the top of it. You can also put it inside if you want, if you want more cheesy, you can also put inside the cheese, and then you can put pav bhaji. You can actually make a layer also, but I am putting it on top. So if you want, you can bake it also, but here I am not baking it. And after this, now this is ready to serve. Here I am just squeezing some lemon drizzles on the top. Yeah, for giving nice flavor. Okay, so this is ready to serve. This was our final product. And alright, now thanks for watching me live. I hope you like the video. Okay, thank you. Bye.